Hello, I'm Design Guy. Ready to level up your text game with awesome effects in Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 200 by 200 pixels as your dimensions and confirm. Next, navigate to the Elements section in the sidebar. Here, you can browse or search for the element you want to add to your design, getting your project started. In this tutorial, we'll focus on working with text. You can easily add text to your project by using the Text tool, then typing directly into the text box where you want your message to appear. You can explore different combinations by typing keywords into the search bar. Try searching for themes, colors, or specific elements to discover unique options. This helps you quickly find creative combinations that match your style or project requirements. Experiment to see what's possible. You can also access various apps in this section to enhance your text or create new text designs. Browse through the available options to find tools that add effects, change fonts, or apply creative styles to your text. Select the app you want to use, then follow the prompts to customize your text design as needed. Select the Text Tutorial Maker from the main menu to begin. Once you've chosen it, click the Open button. This will launch the Text Tutorial Maker and allow you to start creating your new tutorial right away. Now we have access to the Text tool, so you can start creating your own creative text designs. Click on the Text option in the toolbar to add text to your project. Adjust the font, size, and color as needed to customize your text and express your unique style. Click Add to refine. Here, you'll see options for code, texture, and access to other designs. To start fresh, delete the previous entry by selecting it and pressing Delete. Next, type the word Special into the input box. After entering your text, click anywhere outside the box to confirm your changes. This updates your selection and lets you proceed with the newly entered design element. Continue customizing your project using the available tools and features within the Refine section. These unique characters shown here each require a separate premium upgrade to unlock. You cannot use them with the standard version. Each character has its own upgrade requirement, so you'll need to purchase access individually if you want to use them. Additionally, some features may have limited access in this area, meaning you'll need to upgrade to premium in order to unlock their full functionality. To add this element to your side design, first locate the Text Studio Maker. Click on it to open the options. Here, you'll see a variety of text styles and design tools you can use. Browse through the available selections to find the best fit for your project. You can also explore other design elements and features found in this section. Choose the ones that match your creative vision. Once selected, simply drag them onto your design to customize your layout. In Canva, you can explore a variety of fun style combinations to enhance your design. Simply select an element or text box, then browse the available style options to apply different looks. If you want to adjust the appearance further, you can easily edit the colors within each style. Click on the color swatches to customize shades and match your theme. Use these features to create unique and visually appealing designs in Canva. You can also brand your projects with custom logos and colors to match your company's identity. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to set up, customize, and brand your projects effectively. Review each step as needed to ensure your projects look professional and consistent. You just learned how to make awesome text effects in Canva. Like and subscribe if you want more creative design tips.